What's up guys, this is Jeff at eljefereviews, and in this video we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick unboxing and installation demo of some door welcome lights, also known as shadow lights, for 2018 Toyota Camry. You can find these on Amazon for about $12 or $12.50. Price varies a little bit, but I'll leave a link to the least expensive ones that I can find right down in the description box below. Now before we go any further, if you guys like my videos, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well so you never miss any of my weekly uploads. All that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so here we have them. They're sold under the name Bailongju. So they're Bailongju Toyota Easy Installation Car Door LED Logo Projector Ghost Shadow Lights 2-piece set. Now that is a mouthful. So yeah, so they're basically shadow lights or small projector lights that you put into your door. So let me go ahead and see. Nothing really special on this box, just some weird writing. Open special is different. Door lights, upgrade parts. Some symbols in Cantonese, I believe. 3D shadow light. I don't know. Auto, maybe it was auto translated. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and pop it out. Now, so they normally do come with two. I've already got one installed in my vehicle. So it does come with a pair of these out of the box. Sorry about all that noise, headphone users. So this is basically what it looks like fresh out of the box. There's your projector beam, connector there. And let me show you guys. So this is the stock Toyota one. Now this is for my 2018 Toyota Camry SE. And this is basically the light that's on the bottom of the door. And it kind of just puts a nice little bit of light when you open your door at night. You can see, it gives you, this way you know where you're stepping. I don't know if they used to call them puddle lights or shadow lights. So they have a few different names, welcome lights. So yeah, but that's what that is. These just have a standard like incandescent bulb in there, kind of give off that yellow hue. Not a big fan of that. I may end up switching these out with an LED bulb at some point if I ever get tired of these projectors. But so yeah, and they're plug and play. So as you can see, they use the exact same connector. So super easy. In the next bit, I'll show you guys how easy they are to pop out and install. But yeah, and that's basically how they come out of the box. There's nothing else to it. There's no instruction manual or any of that other stuff. But what can you expect for 12 bucks on Amazon? So yeah, so let me show you the results and let's get right into that. All right, so I thought this was pretty cool, so I figured I'd show you guys how this all works. So here's how it looks standard. So it's just a regular light that you see here. Sits right on the bottom of the door. Shine some light on here so you can check it out. Those are the puddle lights. All right, so let me show you how easy this is to do. Let me set this down here. So all you're going to need is something like a small flathead screwdriver. Something like this. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but something like that. All right. Just kind of pop it out of there. It's only held in by a little tab here. So just a little pressure, pull that right on out. And then you've got this connector right here that I'm pointing at. Little tab on top, you just got to press that in and pop this connector right on out. Just like that, lights out. Take the other one using the same connector. Pop right on in. And pop it right in there. Nice and flush, perfect fit. And here we have it. Nice Toyota logo. Surprisingly good definition. Blue color on the Toyota logo itself, and then red lettering with white outline. So that's pretty good. I'm actually pretty surprised at the quality of these projectors, and we will see how long they last. So if you've got yourself a 2018 Camry, you're looking to swap these out, definitely a pretty cool buy. Some might think it's a little ricey. I like them. All right, so that wraps up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't do a lot of automotive stuff on my channel, but whenever I do get something new like that, I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. If you guys want to see more like this, let me know down in the comments. Or if you have any questions regarding this product, go ahead and leave those down there as well. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and hit that dislike button. And if you haven't done so already, feel free to hit that subscribe button along with that small bell icon. And this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, with all that being said, hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.